YouTube. I'm going to show you something I discovered for fixing wheels on a Toro like this. Wheels that have the plastic cog that are kind of crap. I figured out what I think is a permanent fix. I hope you could hear that grinding in the video. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I discovered.
It's a beautiful day in the YouTube verse for fixing broken lawn mowers. Will I fix mine? Will I fix mine? It's a beautiful day in the YouTube verse for viewing someone fix mowers. Would you view mine? Would you view mine? Will you view mine? Will I fix mine? Come watch me fix these mowers.
There's our crappy plastic cog, all worn down. I'm going to show you something. This particular Toro is a model 20374. It's a Toro recycler, 22-inch, with what I call a power mower Chinese engine, Kohler clone. In the garage I have another Toro recycler with a Briggs engine, and this one is a 20334. And this one helped me with this one. So thanks to the other mower, which has these kinds of wheels with a metal gear inside versus this kind of wheel with a plastic gear, I was able to discover you can't just buy these wheels and put them on this mower. This cog that's on the mower is a 12-tooth cog. I think it's part number 115-4668. What you have to do, if you want to permanently fix this mower, is replace both the wheel and the cog. And you need a 15-tooth cog, and that's part 131-5399. And it's actually really simple. You remove the retaining clip, take off that cog, put on that one, and put the clip back on. And now we can use a wheel with a metal gear inside that's not going to strip out after a year or half a year the way this one will. This wheel is actually off of the other mower. I put new wheels on it. I'm going to reuse the old ones on this. So I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then I'll show you. We will then have a self-propelled mower again. And this wheel with the metal cog is part number 137-4835. I'll leave links in my description for both this part and this part, the cog and the wheel. I'll leave links with the video. And there we have it. Hopefully a permanent fix for the Toro on the right, thanks to the Toro on the left. It now has Toro drive wheels with a metal sprocket inside, and new sprockets, 15 tooth, to make it drive. So if you ever have a Toro with plastic gear in the wheel and it gets stripped out, you might consider doing this. You gotta buy wheels anyways. I didn't look up both wheels, they're probably about the same. I think the metal gear teeth wheels were maybe 25 bucks. The sprockets, a set of them, were like $7.50. So very reasonable. If you ever run into this, I hope this helps. Hope this saves you time, money, and frustration. Thanks for watching.